All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Stephen. Audio check. All right. Good morning, Sheila. Good morning, Brad. James, good morning. Khaled, good morning. OIS, good morning. Pat, good morning. Scott, good morning. GED, good morning. Tony and Tassos, good morning. All right, guys. So let's take a quick look here at. Let's take a quick look, guys. Let's take a quick look. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Abe. How are you, buddy? All right, guys. So let's take a quick look at the market and see where we at and what the market is looking to do here. If we're looking at NQ, I mean that's just a massive sell-off. We broke this captain setup. We established a captain setup here, and we flushed. We have a counter trend bounce right now into Globex. Globex is going to be 14,425. We are going to 14,514 as long as we continue to hold on to 376 and a quarter. That's the middle of the range, and that's typically a place where the market can get there. We're getting a retest right now of harmony zone number one. Both the 200 and the 100 are in sync. On the long side, however, we're coming into the 82, and the 82, the 88 is an issue. So we gotta continue to protect that level. We have at the top of the hour pending home sales. That's going to be an important level, important piece of news. Good morning, Lions Fit. How are you, buddy? So that's a good bounce off Harmony Zone number one. Really good. Okay. This thing is running. We're going to the 475 level. Jonathan, I am planning on following the market as it tells me what to do. As long as the environment is long, I will continue to go long. If the environment turns short, I'll go short. I don't necessarily start my day thinking I'm going to do one thing or another. I just simply read the market and follow. Does that make sense? All right, so okay. Yeah, we're getting a pullback here. Back to Globex. So you see what they're doing. They're just constantly going back and forth, above and below Globex. The buyers are still in charge so far. The market will be out of sync if we break anything under 413. That will give the market a two-sided tone to it. We have some news coming up at the top of the hour. I'm gonna take a shot here at this market. Uh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, that's fine. All right, let's see here. So they're just chopping people up. So here we go again, like yesterday. They had a chance here to really push it up, and they didn't. Now the market is out of sync, and that's going to lend itself to a two-sided market. Harmony zone number 2 is getting tested right now. And right here, they need to hold it. And if they can't, that's going to spell some trouble for this market. Here comes 375. We're about to close that. That will let, here we go. So that's good. So now we need to see rally. We have harmony zone number 1 at 410, then 25 by 35. So those two levels need to hold for the shorts. There you go. Let's see what we're dealing with here. That's fine. Yeah, they're gonna. Come on, they can't do me like that. All right, let's see. My stop is my stop. Yeah, that's bad. I'm just gonna get out of that trade. And we'll reload a little bit later. I mean, it gave me a little bit of profit here, but you know they're putting the captain setup long, and we're in this zone. They're gonna do exactly what they're doing right now. The expectation was to see a stronger push toward 350. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I mean, yeah, I gave a little bit of money on this one here, but so we have in 15 minutes piece of news. Okay, here we go. Here we go again. I'll just keep it small. I'll give it one more shot. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, here we go. Damn it. I'm gonna have to keep. I may have to go just break even. I mean, that was a nice 15, 20 point target, but I just feel like we're gonna be at 75 here, and I need to be adding a lot more to this trade. We have a captain set up on the 50 NT Rinko, captain set up short. I'll consider taking the 75 as a target. I'll take it right here. They're pausing it. That's not bad. I'll take it. I'll take it. So I mean that short that I had here, I took a stop on it, but my stop should, I mean, it is above harmony zone number 2. 75, here comes 75. Yeah, just took that pause. Damn it. There you go. I don't know, from 16 to 85. That's 30 points. I'll take it. So we were doing the right thing. We're doing the right thing in that spot. Yeah, I mean, that entry here that I had at 16 had a stop right above that zone on one contract. I just needed to actually add to it. I mean, I'm surprised I didn't, because you got a confirmation at 412, then a railroad short at 402, and then you got that move. So the target of 350 coming up. Rallies are shortable. Harmony zone number 1 is 400 by 410. And here comes that target. All right, we got 10 minutes. I mean, it's early, but robust. That's a captain setup. Uh, long that failed. This is what that is. If we're looking at ES, let's talk about ES for a second here. All right, so they're testing harmony zone number 2. So that is stronger than NQ, because NQ have reversed completely. If we're looking at 50 NT Renko, you have, I mean, the next target really is 4208, and the market is coming into retest. So if NQ is to follow, if ES is to follow NQ, they would have to come to 4183 and a quarter soon. All right, good job, Gary. Yeah, hit and run, huh? That's a good one. Good job, good job. Hey, Khalid. Sorry, man, I didn't see you in that waiting room. Good morning. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you're getting a captain set up long on ES, so you're getting a bit of a fuck. Fuck. Yeah, look at that. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit. It's gonna hit that next target for excuse me, 325. Yeah. I mean, it was a little bit testy, but you got a harmony zone number. You have a lot of separation away from harmony zone number one. It's still good stuff. Winners, winners. Let's see. Who's the winner? Failures. Failures. All right, we came very close to hitting that level and we bounced back like that. So that's really not good for the shorts. So, the expectation here is to see a consolidation. Whenever they do that type of behavior, most likely we're going to see a little bit of a two-sided market right here. That level needed to kind of come to it and hit and not put a switch trade and reverse. So you probably want to see if this level closes under that level, then here can happen. Otherwise, you're gonna see a push upward to retest this harmony zone number one. So this 34 and a quarter is gonna be important, and you got news coming up in 4 minutes too. So that's stay on the sideline in this environment. Yeah, I mean that's a small boat. Uh, okay, we got 3 minutes. Hey, Danny, good morning. Okay, so that's good. All right. Okay, that's good. All right, so next target is 300 by 4, excuse me, 300, 14,300. Now you have harmony zone number 1 and 2. That's 350 and by 60 and 75 by 85. Stephen, answer to that question. The first time test is your best probability. If the market keeps going through them, you know, one, two, three times, then they're chewing through that supply and it weakens. But typically, that first attempt at that level is a solid one. So the next target is 300. Globex lines. Yeah, I mean, exactly. First touch of everything is your is a the first touch of anything is your best probability. The more times you go over that same level, it loses its viability, if you want to call it that. So here you go, a railroad, and the market is acting well toward it. We got 1 minute, 1 minute to the news. Ooh. All right, that's news. The news is hitting here. We're gonna see what they want to do with this market. I mean, if this market, if this kind of closes lower, I'll give it a shot. That's not what I want to see. Good for you. Good for you. Yeah, I should be okay. This is my stop. Come on. Yeah, that's gonna suck. Okay, break even, I guess. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna break even. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's gonna get there. That's gonna get there. It is gonna get there. That's fine. Shorts are in control. I mean, that's the bottom line here. And we got almost to the tick to that target of 300, and they're bouncing it right back up. So I went short here. I had a stop up there into the 17, and that's an actually adding opportunity at 22. And we broke even on that trade. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, here we go again. Yeah, see, I don't like the fact that we bounce off of this level here. So I'm gonna just leave it alone and see what they want to do. I mean, if they put a captain setup short here, I'll play around, but with one contract. So that's two. Okay, so they didn't. Yeah, they're gonna bounce this thing back up here a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's good. Money. Ah, shit. Yeah, they're jacking with people right here. They're jacking with people. That's what they're doing. It's like a heartbeat, back and forth, back and forth. 427. 275 is the next target, by the way. 275. Harmony zone number one is 25 by 35, and 50 by 60 is harmony zone number two. They're putting a captain setup right here. They're going to bounce it up a little bit. See that? Captain setup long right here into this move. Are they going to put a captain setup switch trade right here? I mean, if they do that, then I may jump in on a scalping. So that's the issue though. From 18 to 28, it's there's a lot of resistance. Yeah, so I'll just leave it alone. I I rather look for rallies as a shorting opportunity than trying to pick bottoms. I mean that move right here, that's a captain setup long. I mean you're getting a little bit of a push, but that is, if you break 300 again, then 275 is a distinct possibility quickly. All right, let's see if we can get in. I mean, for God's sake, let's see. 275. Shorts are in charge. They are in charge. Let's see here. I'll take that. Take that short and move on and see if I can get another one. At these levels, I'm kind of gonna be more of a scalper right here. We just went so far. I still like the shorts. I'm gonna cut my size to one contract and just go and do that again. And my target is 75. Okay, now that pauses me a little bit here. So like right here, we should have kind of came in harder on the short side. You have a captain set up short on the 40 NT. Excuse me, captain set up long on the 40 NT Rinko. So that's just they're trying to balance the market and hold on to it here. So I want to see how well they when they get up here. Okay. Ah, I got screwed on that, Phil. That's okay. I'm gonna get out of it quick. That's not what I want to see. Here we go. I'll take that target. So stopped myself once and got back in. Made a little bit of money, but the second time around, I did it with 3 contracts right there. It's happening. It's the shorts are showing up. I mean, I just need to kind of keep doing this. That's all. Okay, now they were pausing. And okay, here we go. I mean, you could see that they just churn and churn and churn, and these peaks or these run-ups are not that strong at all. So that tells me the next target of 275 is a possibility, is a distinct possibility. We're not too far out anyway. There's a switch trade on 70 NT Rinko, 50 NT Rinko. Let's talk about ES. ES put a captain. Let's just look that up here quick. So that's a consolidation. You got a captain set up long here. We tested it, and this is the second test. So you really need to see a flush under 78.50 for NQ to hit the target. And by the way, yeah, this is a 177. Yeah, 177 is the target here. Harmony zone number 1 is 89 by 92 and 95 by 98. Yep. Let's see that flush now. That's what they should be doing. They should be flushing to 75. Come on, bring it in. There you go. And boom, 75. Clockwork. Next rotation, a target of 250. We're looking at a harmony zone number one of 300 by 310 and 25 by 35. We'll reevaluate this rotation at 315. And rallies are shortable. Same thing in ES. We hit our target in ES. Our next target is 4170, 75. Harmony zone number one is 83 by 86 and 89 by 92 is harmony zone number two. Keep looking for shorts. Don't get cute. Don't try to fade. Don't think you're going to be good enough to figure out where the bottom is. It doesn't work that way. Just follow the system, follow the momentum, follow the trend. Trade in harmony. I'm your hero. All right, it's almost 9:30. How is everybody doing? How are we doing, guys? How are we doing? There you go. Up 2K on 20. Just one scalp short, green today. Okay. Good. 2K for Adam, 2,000 for on 20 accounts. Good job. Scott passed one eval, busted one eval. Okay. Just watching. Okay, good deal. Okay, all right. Yeah, I made six yesterday. There you go. That's fine. That's, you know what? The fact that you recognize that, Brad, and you know your internal dialogue and how focused you are or not, and you're acting accordingly, that is a huge win. That's a huge win. Most people just don't have that self-awareness when it comes to trading. Captain setup. Okay, no captain setup. All right. So we're testing harmony zone number one. Yeah, I'm gonna pause on this one, meaning we talked about 315 as an area where we're gonna pull back from trying to get short. Yeah, so you see that. So now we're in the neutral zone between harmony zone number one. And by the way, it's the first time that we do this. Yeah, yeah, that's the double switch. Actually, I just noticed that. Omer, good call. Yeah, yeah, I saw that. I saw that. I was like, okay, these bastards are gonna do something different here. Now you got yourself the 200 NT wrinkle and the 100 are out of sync. They're out of sync right now. So now you're getting pockets of buyers and pockets of sellers, and we could play both for the first time. No, I mean I didn't say they're all done, but right here when the market did you know we started they did a double switch trades right at this spot, so that told me at least we should see um, a more significant push, but you don't want to see the 315 because that now you're in this neutral zone, okay, and then they start to speed up, so you just gotta hold off. Now what has to happen in order for me to go long? I need a little bit more. I mean, they could pull it back, then run it back up, and then pull it back in, and that will set me up for a new harmony wave long. That would be a scenario. So like you pull back here, disconnect, come in, and pull back, and that would be an entry for a run back up. Sometimes the best trade is watching. Yeah. Why, why, why? Why? Here we go. Okay. So the first part of this idea is coming through. They hit harmony zone number two and reacted well to it. So that's bearish behavior. Yeah, most likely that's what's gonna happen. That's what's gonna happen here. Ooh. Man, tired. Easy money's done. Nah. Easy money is the money that you understand. We understand the market. Once we understand the market, it doesn't matter what kind of market we have. It becomes easy. But the trend, what's actually worth mentioning, and I think that's what you're alluding to, is the trending market is taking a pause. That's Yep. You're right. You're right on that one, Adam. You're spot on. So here we go. Harmony zone number 2 testing, and now we're testing under harmony zone number 1. So rallies are becoming shortable again at 287. We need to see 287. Mm-hmm. Man, see, I saw that one here. That's not bad at all, right there. That's a new inception trade and trigger trade short. Now the market is back in sync, and let's see. Looking for the shorts. So the narrative on the longs just did not produce. Come on, baby. Yeah, here you go. Bleed, bleed, bleed. And the next target, like we said, is 250. Target is 250. Harmony zone number 1 is 300 by 310. Scalp City and Sin City, huh? Sin or Sun City. That's auction. Rampage. I don't know. Let me see. You talking about Ethan Rampage? Yeah, that dude swings around big time. Oh, that's what he says. Either sun running or really Rampage Jackson. I love that guy. See, Steven sells cars to the rich and famous. That's what's going on. Alrighty, so here we go back again. Yeah, they hit the low, and they're trying to shuffle some people out of rotation here. Here we go. I mean, to the tick, hit harmony zone number 1. Yeah. Damn it. Damn it. That was a good one. Yeah, double switches. They're doing it in the same spot, Omer. They're doing it in the same spot. But look how they handled that. Um, look how well they handled the harmony zone. I mean, to the tick right there. Not above the what you call it. Here we go. Slightly different. This is slightly above the middle of the range, while this formation is in the middle of the range. Oh, wow. Yeah, yeah, this is nasty. That's nasty. Ooh, baby. The way they came uh, on that was nasty. That was nasty. Oof. So, I mean, that's a great thing, Adam, that you're recognizing these things and you're playing the game to win. That's the key. You got to see it. Yeah, James Wood. I mean, we're looking for pullbacks as a buying opportunity, but I mean, that's not, that is a big, I mean, from the perspective of how these candles operate, it's such a strong move, persistent move, that the pullbacks should stick. So we're just gonna have to see how, if they give us an opportunity. Excuse me. Ooh, damn. No. So the next target is 400, by the way. And we are having 50 by 40 zone number one, and zone number two is 25 by 15. Looking for pullbacks as a buying opportunity. Sniping was sure fun. In which way? How did we do today, Scott, by the way? Ah, okay. Good job. What worked for you? All right, congratulations, Scott, for passing your evaluation. Keep up the good work. There you go. Damn. Yeah, I saw that. Good call. It's a captain setup switch trade on the 30 NT Rinko in NQ. Get it, get it. All right, so let's do something here. It's 10 o'clock. All right, so 10 o'clock. There we go. Is it possible they're gonna run this thing all the way down? I would hate to see that happen. I'm gonna take two spots. See if I can get any fills. Yeah, here comes the sellers. Come on. That's a switch trade, so we should see a push lower here, which is fine. Really? Okay. Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. I mean, we should see a little bit of a bounce back up here. We're tested harmony zone number. God dang. All right, it's gonna stop me here. That was quick. That is nasty, man. That's nasty. That's a double switch trade right here. I was trying to move my order to stop myself, and it's not doing it. I'll take that stop, move on. Damn, that's nasty. I mean, look, for it to go all the way up and retrace 100% of that move. Eesh. I gotta take that stop. Yeah, game show. They got me on that game show. That's fine. Let's just keep working. They got me on that one. Yeah, that's a huge one. I mean, look at this. Whoop. And all the way down. So I mean, I had two good spots for me to get in there. You know, it's okay. That's part of doing business. I gotta take these stops and move on. Day's not over yet. All right, so the 200 and the 100 are back in sync on the short side in a very nasty trap that they just put on here. So let's look for rallies as a shorting opportunity and go from there. You gotta smile every step of the way. I think I'm gonna go to 180. Well, next target is 275, 180. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. You have an option sitting there. Put option. Oh, just a look down. Let's take a look here. Where is this piece of shit? Yeah. So yesterday we talked about the target number two as the next possible target for these rotations, and looking at 14,064.75 as a legitimate target to this price action. So that's where we're going. That's from a perspective of multi-day perspective and a flush. I think as if the conditions continue to deteriorate in the Middle East, then 14,065.75 is a high probability event. Typically, you see these type of legs in the market happen in a 3 candle formation, 3 to 5 candle formation. So the third candle, which is today, is the second, and the third is tomorrow, Friday, you are gonna see a burst into that level. All right, so let's do another thing here. Wicked, down a little bit of money today. All right, so let's just see what we're gonna do here. I'll take it. I'll take that short. I'll take it on 2 contracts, and I'll look for a rally to short back again. The target is going to be 275. Yeah, good for them. Good for them. Good for them. Let's see if I can get in. There's a switch trade on the 50 anti-wrinkle short, so let's see if I can get in an additional short right here. Let me see here. Cancel all these orders. We're just gonna have to wait here. I need to see a decent rally, and the odds are if we get any decent rally, we're gonna start punching into the 20. Oof. Whoa. Good. That was a good short right there. I took a nice amount of money off of it. But the target is 275. That's okay, Wicked. It's all right. Just keep working. Not every day is gonna be an up day. Here we go again with them, fading right at the target. It's a habit for today. They've been doing this. I'm gonna do this. I know it's probably a little bit too risky, but I think it's worth it for me to fade against that level down here. It's a counter trend move. It's a high risk. I'll do it with 1 contract, and it should burst back up. And actually, be honest with you, my stop need to be right here. And if they come and get me, they come and get me. They're gonna come and get me. Oh no! Don't do it! Don't do it! That's okay. Of course, right? Of course. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, target is hit. Next target is 250. 250. 250. 250. 250. Yeah, the 50 on the switch trade did it. I mean, I went short right here, which is a nice spot. I went long against that close of the next target. It's a decent idea. Took a 8 and 9 point stop. Now you're just gonna the momentum is a short momentum, so I need to be looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Stopping myself. Yeah, that's why I made it very short. Very short. Yeah. Okay, so what time is it? It's 10:17. There's a lack of efficiency going on here on my part. So I'm gonna take a break and just come back with a fresh set of eyes in a moment here. Switch trade right here, so we should be pushing higher, but I don't know if we're gonna head to 300 or not because this is a really kind of weak market. Yeah, watch out for this captain setup right here. If they break above it, that will be a near-term bottom. Stupid, man. $250 target. Why is that stupid here? See, they're trying to hold this price right here. Yeah, we should bounce up to 70 at least. Okay. How are you doing? Okay, so let's see what's going on here. You see how they came so ever close to that target and not tagging it. Okay, so let's look at the big picture here. Yeah, we're on the edge of the abyss. It'll be a free fall after this one right here. Well, at least we'll go to target number 3, which is 154. Then you have prices all the way down to 400, 14,000. I mean, you could tell that they're trying to protect the price right now. See that? So close, higher low. Da, 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 da. The target is 250, but we can't ignore the what they're doing here. So I mean, they put on a captain setup short. Fucking stupid. I mean, like, why wouldn't you just get out right here? So that's going to be a resistance area even ahead of uh, harmony zone number 1. Here we go. Let's see if they're going to go to that 50. Put a captain setup long on the 40 NT Rinko. Yeah, we should see a bit of a buy interest here, guys. So that 250, you know, you how many times? One, two, three. They're trying to stabilize the price right here. Maybe they're trying to trap some longs. That's pretty much what that is. All right, let's see where this thing is gonna go. Yeah, it's a higher low, by the way. If we stick that 70, yeah, 70 and a quarter, that'll be a big. Here it comes. We should be seeing higher prices into the 80, 85, 90. And it's going to happen fast. Or maybe not, huh? we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, they're trying. They're trying. They're trying. They're trying. They're trying. Fucking trying. They are trying. They are trying. You don't want to take that. Ah, you fucking bastards. They are trying. They are trying. You could tell here they're shifting the cloud. You're getting a higher lows. We came very close to this closing the 250 target, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 higher lows. So a break above 80 is going to get us to trade and retest harmony zone number 1. Yeah. So you can't go under 255. 255. Money, money, money. Let's see. Let's see money. Okay. All right. Good Lord, good Lord. Let's see here. Jackson Tinkle. Here you go. So that 225 is the next target. Okay. I mean, there's some selling going on. I mean, that's it. Some selling. Some selling going on. Here we go. Yep. There you go. Captain set up on the Ethereum Tirinko. Yeah, double switch trades or okay. I see what's going on here. They're bouncing this bad boy up. Did you take the double switches on the 40 or no? Yeah, we may end up getting up to harmony zone number one, which is a 75.85. I mean, they're trying to hold it here, but I keep saying that, right? I mean, you could. It's a stair step. The target is 225, and you're getting this double bottom captain setup long at that 242 and a quarter. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, guys. So let's review our day here. We are down about 1,047.70 for the day, and up about 63.87. Wicked, I'm trading both. So we have, here we go. We have 10 PAs. That's 10 PAs. I have 10 evals, and I have what you call it, personal account. I have actually two of them. I didn't connect the second one, but that's just one, and the other one is not connected yet. But those are the accounts that I'm trading. Safe. I don't copy all of them at all the time. I don't copy all of them all the time. And not all the trades that I take I put in my PAs or evals. But some trades are not appropriate for not appropriate for Apex accounts or any funded accounts. They're more appropriate for my own personal account. Like if I try to swing trade and go for bigger targets, I don't put those in my PA accounts because the threshold in an Apex account can really get you. So I just need to keep Apex as scalping, and if I want to do anything that's just a little bit more of a bigger target, then I'll put it in my personal account. Five trades, 10 trades, 10 trades, 10 trades, 10 trades. Putting the captain set up long right here. Okay. Should see a little bit of a push upward. This is like really pathetic. 5. There you go. And let's go. Let's go. All right. I mean, they put on that captain setup right here. Now that 200 and the 100 are out of sync, so that's gonna lend itself to a two-sided market, and you just can take scalping opportunities here. You're gonna get some noise in this market, and the odds are we're gonna see between 85 to 300 price action as the market tried to figure out what it wants to do here. In that environment, I'm only scalping if I see like this is a good captain setup long. All right, guys, that's it for me for the day. Um, well, that's testing harmony zone number one and pushing lower. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for spending your day with us. And we will see you bright and early Friday.